What's up, guys? What's up, Kevin? What's up, Cortez? Doing well. Doing well. All right, we got Leaf. 2018 Leaf one box break, number 25. Let's run down the teams and we'll do it. Ben with the 49ers, Ryan with the Seahawks, Brent with the Raiders and Redskins, Matthew with the Giants and Eagles, Cortez with the Texans and Steelers, Alex J with the Patriots, Alex T with the Vikings, George with the Packers, Browns, Colts, Chargers, Jets and Titans, Jeff with the Lions and Dolphins, Rodney with the Broncos, and Luciano has the Cardinals, Falcons, Bills, Panthers, Bears, Ravens, Bengals, Cowboys, Jaguars, Chiefs, Rams, Saints, and Bucks. All right, those are everybody's teams. Let's find out what we've got tonight. Good luck, guys. All right, tonight's jersey goes to, holy smokes, Joe Montana. Joe Montana in the house. Joe Montana, Mr. Ben, 49ers. Nice hit. Hold on, let me make sure of that real quick. Yes, sir. Joe Montana to the 49ers. Ben taking it down. Congrats, my man. Thanks, guys. I'll be back live for the absolute break at 10:30. See you then.